21 विपक्षी पार्टियों की पुनर्विचार याचिका को सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने किया खारिज। कांग्रेस नेता और वरिष्ठ अधिवक्ता अभिषेक मनु सिंघवी ने बताया कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट में पुनर्विचार याचिका दायर कर 21 राजनीतिक दलों ने मांग की थी कि ईवीएम और वीवीपैट मशीन की 50% पर्चियों का मिलान किया जाए। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने इस पुनर्विचार याचिका को आज खारिज कर दिया है।
As you know, we had filed earlier a petition and today a review petition by 21 parties of India, which represent roughly 70 to 75% of the Indian electorate. The signatories to the affidavit with that petition and the review petition include current sitting chief ministers, presidents of parties, or other leaders and nominees of individual parties, 21 of them. This is only to underline the grave and serious interest, concern of these leaders on the issue at hand, namely an increase of VVPAT counting as a sample auto check. We are not talking about EVMs for the present. The election is too far gone for that. This petition review and the earlier one talked of VVPAT. Firstly, friends, let me tell you that we bow down to the court order which has just now dismissed our review prayer. We respect the court immensely. Many of these and others are constitutional functionaries, present and former, and we must, as we do, bow down to the court's majesty.